Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about businessman Beachy Stout. So let's get into it. And I'm sourcing the first article from Jamaica Gleaner, and the second one will be from Loop. And it says the trial of Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald in the murder of his second wife today got underway in the Home Circuit Court. A seven-member jury consisting of 6 men and a woman was selected before presiding Judge Chester Stamp. The businessman and his co-accused, Oscar Barnes, are being tried for the July 20, 2020 murder of his wife, Tonia Mcdonald. Her partially burnt body was found with the throat slash and slumped beside her raised car along the Sherwood Forest Main Road in Portland. The lead prosecutor in her opening said, "We are saying that they killed Tonia without any legal excuse, and we will bring witnesses here to tell you how it went." McDonald is being represented by attorney at law Earl Hamilton and Courtney Rowe, Christopher Townsend, and John Jacobs. Barnes, whose bail was this afternoon revoked, is being represented by attorney Ernest Davis. The trial, however, was just adjourned for lunch and resumed at 2 p.m. with the first witness taking the stand. Meanwhile, McDonald is also charged with the 2009 murder of his first wife, Marlene. He is to be tried alone for that matter in January 2024. Investigators reopened that case in 2020 following the murder of Tonia. So Beachy don't have not one or two lawyers. He has four, and one of the big name lawyers he have, which is Christopher Townsend, is attached to Privy Council. This may be a good thing for him if this trial goes bad and he has to go to Privy Council. Christopher Townsend will be there to back him up and have the backing of Privy Council. It was agreed in October of last year that the duration of the trial, McDonald's choice, will be approximately 7 weeks, during which the prosecution will call 25 witnesses. In relation to the defense, McDonald's intend to have 7 witnesses testify on his behalf. His co-accused, Barnes, is said to call 1 witness, while he is to testify and be subject to cross-examination from the prosecution. A plea and case management hearing has been set for January 25th, 2024, in the matter in which McDonald is the sole accused, and that is for his first wife. Everton Beachy was on remand for the murder of his second wife when he was slapped with a murder charge relative to Marlene's killing. The 50-year-old woman was shot in her driveway after parking her car at her Bound Brook, Port Antonio, Portland home in May 2009, and she later died from her injuries. Years later, McDonald's nephew, who had reportedly told police that his uncle confessed to him that he orchestrated the death of Marlene, was murdered. In the relation to the murder of 32-year-old Tonia Mcdonald, otherwise called Sassy, a businesswoman of Dolphin Cove in Dolphin Bay, Portland, she was found dead with her throat slashed. The police at the time said that they had information that suggested that McDonald paid over $3 million to have Hamilton McDonald killed. Following a probe, the businessman Barnes and 56-year-old Denval Bumbo Minot, a fisherman of Ranch Hill in Portland, were jointly charged with murder as well as conspiracy to murder Hamilton McDonald. Minot pleaded guilty to the murder charge in September 2020 and was subsequently sentenced to 19 years in prison and ordered to serve 10 years before being eligible for parole consideration. Indications are that after the 2020 killing, the 2009 case was revised by the police, and the following indication are that after the 2020 killing, the 2009 case was revised by the police, and following the submission of a file to the Office of Director of Public Prosecution, ODDP, a ruling was handed down for McDonald to be charged with murder and conspiracy to murder in relation to his first wife's death. And A little birdie also told me that the person that he allegedly tried to kill his first wife will be a witness in that case. And there are about to be a whole bunch of witnesses that are going to be mounted in this case against Beachy Stout. And if you guys don't remember, Andre McDonald that killed his wife also is Beachy Stout son. And a lot of people are saying like father like son, it runs in the blood. The father killed both his wife allegedly, and his son killed his wife also. But that's neither here nor there. What are your thoughts on this story? Do you believe the stories of him killing his wife, both his wife, and anyone that crossed him? Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.